Hello, students. Let's read and learn vegetables' names. Listen carefully and repeat: potato, onion, peas, beetroot, tomato, cucumber, brinjal, ladyfinger, cabbage. Read: carrot, radish, pumpkin, chili, broccoli, garlic, mint, cauliflower. Happy learning!